Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to build the page now. First, confirm you have a personal Facebook account and the business details: name, category, contact, website, hours, and CTA. Once done, open the Pages section and choose Create New Page. Pick a clear business category and a searchable name. Upload a profile image and cover that represent your brand, then save. These first actions set searchability and trust, so make sure images are high quality and text matches your legal or trade name. Now optimize your page so customers find and convert. Fill the About section with a concise description and list services or products. Use keywords naturally. Configure messaging. Choose an inbox template, enable instant replies, and set expected response time. Add the primary action button, book, contact, shop, and arrange tabs for ease of use. Once configured, preview the public view to confirm layout and copy. These middle steps turn a blank page into a usable customer touchpoint. Finish by publishing and promoting the page. Post 3-5 initial updates, a pinned welcome post, services highlight, and contact post, then invite followers and share to your network. Set roles for staff with least privilege. If you need verification, submit business documents through page settings and follow prompts. If something breaks, missing buttons, or admin access, first clear cache, try another browser, and confirm admin roles if still stuck. Use the support tools in Business Suite. That should get you live and work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.